Hi Gearshifters, welcome back. Today I'm going to be putting together and using my new motorcycle lift. I got the Pittsburgh 1,500 pound capacity ATV motorcycle lift. So I was able to pick this up. When we look inside the box, everything is packed in nice and securely. So I'm going to start pulling things out.
Assembly is easy. First, we began by emptying the box and organizing all the parts. Putting this together was really easy. It involved 4 basic steps. First was mounting the bottle jack, which was actually attaching the bottle jack, which is the lifting component, to the lift. Second was installing the stop bar connecting rod. And third was installing the foot pedal. And then finally installing the handle. I was able to put it all together in about 20 minutes.
Now that I have the lift put together, I'm going to line it up in the center of my frame. Also going to be careful that I don't push it into my kickstand. All the way under there. So if you can see under here, I've got it lined up. It's going all the way across. We look at it from this angle. You can see that it's missing the kickstand just right next to it. Now let's go around. I want you to see over here, just make sure that I've got the lift extending past the frame. So this is the frame and the lift, so it's got a couple of inches. We're good to lift it. Screw down the feet. Keep it from rolling. Other side. The weight of the motorcycle should keep it from moving, but that's just a safety feature, which is good. Now, to raise it, all we do is pump it up. There we go. It's that easy. Plenty of clearance. Plenty of clearance. Look at that. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. That was super easy. So now I need to see how comfortable I feel putting it down. I don't anticipate any problems whatsoever, but I just want to take a quick look and make sure that my kickstand is all the way forward, and it is. Make sure that my steering is straight, and since I'm putting it down, I am going to put it in gear. So now that I've got the wheel straight and it's in gear and the kickstand is forward, I'm going to lower it. So, gotta pull back on the safety latch, and then there's a foot release. Do it again. Look at that! It worked!
So I continued to lift it up and down several times just to see if I was going to encounter any problems along the way before I gave you my opinion. What do I think of my new motorcycle lift? I love it. It is a game changer. At any time, I can go out of my garage and I can raise my motorcycle up all by myself and service it. I can use it to inspect my tires. I can use it to help me detail my bike. I can use it when I want to work on my bike. What I was looking for when I picked out a motorcycle lift were really three things. One, that it was portable. This one's portable. Second, that it was made of a heavy steel material. I know that they have lighter jacks that are made out of aluminum, but I just really wanted one that was made out of steel. And the third thing was I wanted to make sure that there was one that I could use either with or without ratchets, because I want to be able to have flexibility in what I'm using it for when I'm servicing my bike. This meets all three. It's portable. I can, as you can see in the video, I was able to pull it in and out from under my bike. There are wheels as well as a lock on it, so I can move it around my shop. It's heavy. It is not going to roll away. It's not going to leave me feeling insecure that it's not strong enough to hold the weight of my Harley. And third, it's got the flexibility. That wide plane that the motorcycle sits on, for my Harley, I've got an extra 4 inches. So that is plenty of room for me to be able to use it with or without a ratchet. It's firmly secure on there. And the most important thing is I feel comfortable operating it. So if you are considering a motorcycle lift, Pittsburgh 1500 works as advertised. I will let you know if that changes over time, but right now I am very happy with this purchase and I would buy it again tomorrow. And in a couple of weeks, I'm gonna have some new motorcycle parts that I wanna install, so I'll be able to use this to make the job a lot easier. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I'd love to hear from you. So please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe and ring the bell, and you'll be notified each time I release a new video. I believe in gear shifting gratitude and I want to share it with you.